Hi, welcome to CATECH Tutorials. In this class, we are going to learn main bearing cap. Okay, so that let's set this plane. Set this arc. Okay, again set this arc on the consider same point with different radius. Okay, let's give the diameter. Here it is 0 mm radius, and it is 15 mm radius. Okay, make it as full screen. Okay, so now here I want a line with diameter 10 mm. Okay, here its height is 8 mm, and here it is 8.3. Okay, it's like this, 8.3 mm height. Now make this point coincident with this. So here I'm trying to make constraint with these 2 points. So here let's see, is it possible to coincide or not? No, it's giving some error. Okay, so here I'm using trim option. Trim is not only used to cut the geometry, it is used to add the material, geometry also. Okay, so here I selected first this line and second this line, this curve. So it's done with some point. Okay, so here now I am drawing a straight line here. So make this line as constraint, and let's select this big trim tool because okay, let's draw a line. Right, what is its height? 4 mm. Okay, now set this all part and make it as mirror. Okay, so here is this geometry is fully as a consider not, let's see it, I mean closed or not. So here let's see it's completely closed. Okay, so now we can exit the workbench. Give the CAD command with 7 mm thickness. So here I want to give 3.5 with mirror extent. Okay, yes, this is the main bearing cap. Okay, so let's select the hole here, and this is the plane we required. Here we required 3.6 diameter, and its position is coincidence, and its length, let's make it as 15 mm. Okay, this is the workbench review. Okay, so I can mirror this part in 3D object. Mirror. So yeah, I'm selecting this plane. Okay, this is a final model main bearing cap. Okay, thank you guys for watching my videos. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching CATECH Tutorials. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, share the video.